almost 63?
I am 63 now.
Blown away.
And now I have to check my birth certificate because I'm not sure I believe that.
Hi, I'm Cheryl. I'm 62 years old. I feel like I look tired. I have excess skin around my face and neck, and I just don't feel that it presents me in the best light. I feel it doesn't reflect how I feel inside. And so I think it's time for my external face to match how I feel inside. What stood out to me with Dr. Sadati was the results that he was achieving did not seem artificial. They seemed very natural. My goal is not to change who I am as a person, but my goal is to be able to present a refreshed version of myself that's very natural. And I saw that in his results. His results are beautiful. They do take years off, but they also don't materially change the look of the person. And that was really important to me, was to be authentic.
This is actually much easier than I expected. So it's obviously been less than 1 day since I got out of surgery, and I'm very swollen, but there is nothing alarming to me. It might be alarming to you, but it's not alarming to me because I was prepared. And so I think that's the key, is just knowing what to expect and knowing what the protocols are and to follow them meticulously, and you'll have a good recovery. I mean, I think things are looking great. The recovery has been pretty reasonably comfortable. I haven't had pain or nausea. Obviously, I'm very tight, very swollen, so it feels like I have rubber bands around my neck and my face. It's just a lot of tightness. I think a lot of that is from the CO2 laser. But really, it's been remarkably easy. I'm eating fine, taking my meds fine, and I'm also doing hyperbaric oxygen treatment to help with the recovery process. The only discomfort is the tightness of all of the swelling. It's just really tight. Feels like I have a really bad sunburn, which I kind of do. So that's to be expected. And I know that day 3 and 4 are supposedly the worst days for swelling. So I guess I'm right in the middle of that, and I'm looking forward to it going down.
I got beautiful Cheryl here. She's 3 months post preservation deep plane face and neck lift, temporal brow lift, fat grafting, and laser resurfacing. And this young lady is a trooper, and I'm very proud of her because it was not an easy recovery. I reduced her salivary glands, which she had large submandibular glands, but she ate a little spicy food or something, bad girl, and she started producing a lot of saliva, and that caused a lot of drainage, so we had to put a drain back in and prolong her recovery. But she was such an amazing person, understood the process. We went through this together, and here she is 3 months later. She looks gorgeous, in my opinion. What do you have to say?
You've been amazing through the process. It has been a journey. I am thrilled with these results, thrilled. And it's only 3 months, and we still have, some swelling to go down and all of that, but I'm extremely happy with the results. But more importantly, I'm happy and touched by how concerned and how compassionate you were, and patient. And you gave me the calm energy when we had the little salivary leak and the kind of residual swelling, that you helped me to get through that. And you were so conscientious about the different post-op solutions that you applied, which I really appreciated.
I'm Cheryl, I'm 64, and it's been 14 months since my procedures. I'm feeling great. It's nice to have all the recovery behind me. That was actually pretty short in the scheme of things, but it's nice to just really recognize myself routinely now. When after the surgery, there's a period where you kind of think, is this real? And it is, but you're still in disbelief because of the change being so good and so dramatic. But now I'm used to myself, which is nice. I did do a lot of research when trying to select a surgeon, and for goodness sakes, it's your face. You don't want to just choose the bargain basement option and somebody that's not qualified. And through researching Dr. Sadati and researching others, competitors here and really across the country, I felt like I had made the right choice. And then that was confirmed again and again throughout the journey. Because even when there were some little bumps early on with just some routine things, he was just right there with me and very reassuring, very comforting. I think you go through phases where you get really nervous. And I think the customer service part sometimes isn't what every surgeon is necessarily good at. And I felt that from a patient perspective, he did a great job with that and making me feel important and listened to. I think when you do sufficient research, you also realize that every person has a different experience, every person heals differently, and that minor complications can occur. Anything, could be not exactly as you planned the journey. But again, hearing the testimonials of other patients, really, which is part of why I agreed to do this, to help others. For me, that was very comforting to know how they actually perceived the experience and that I would have a similar one. I probably reached the point where I felt that I was, for the most part, recovered at the 6-month mark. I mean, nobody would have noticed after a couple months, but for me personally, I think the mark was about 6 months. There's still subtle changes that happen over the months to come, but I think that was the key pivot point for me. I think being on Zoom for work makes you hypersensitive to your appearance, where before, you were conscious of it, but you weren't, unfortunately, staring at yourself all day. So that was a key motivator for me because I just felt like my outside didn't match the inside. Well, thank you for helping me to get to this point and for being there for me every step of the way. As I've shared with you, that is as important as the surgical skill. So being there for your patients and being there with them through the ups and downs when we freak out and all of those good things we do, you've been very gracious.
Surgery is a few hours and it's over, but what comes with it, that's the strength of our practice, that we do recovery, we, as a whole, we take care of our patients seriously. Like, we understand their concern, everybody's different.